This video is over topic 44, numbers 8 and 9. So looking at arranging objects. So each of these has a little quirk to it. The first one is it says you're looking at 10 candles being put in a row, but you don't want to just grab that 10 and do anything with it. So because you already, so if there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It says he puts one candle in the first spot. So that spot is gone, done. So now we're at 9 spots and 9 candles left. Then he'll put another candle in the second spot. So that spot is filled, done. We're down to 8 spots, 8 candles. So now there are 8 candles possible to go in the next spot. Once we put a candle there, that leaves 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, and the last one in the last spot. But this is really, we're taking the 8 remaining candles into the 8 remaining spots. So this is arranging 8 objects into 8 spots so that you could also calculate as 8 factorial. So I can go in here in my calculator, I can type 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, or I can go 8 and then hit my factorial button here and exclamation mark and get the same result, 40,320. And then number 9, the trick here is it has 2 categories, and it gives, basically restricts to say all the vegetarian dishes have particular places they're going to go. The meat dishes have particular places they're going to go. So the alternating vegetarian will be placed first. Is just saying, like, we know this is the pattern that it's going to have, but the calculations are going to be the same whether it was, if it was all the vegetarian dishes first and then all the meat dishes, doesn't matter. The important thing is that there are specific spots assigned just to the vegetarian dishes and specific spots assigned just to the meat dishes. So we're arranging the 4 vegetarian dishes into the 4 vegetarian spots. And same thing with the meat. 4 meat dishes into the 4 meat spots. So each of those is going to be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And then those get multiplied together because each arrangement of vegetarian dishes can be combined with each arrangement of meat dishes. This can also be shortcutted as 4 factorial times 4 factorial. Now you could also look at the pattern and write down, so like the first vegetarian, there's 4 options. The first meat, there's 4 options. The second vegetarian, down to 3 options. Second meat, down to 3 options. Then if we continue the vegetarian, 2, then 1, meat, 2, then 1. And so you could multiply that way, 4 times 4 times 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 1 times 1. You could do 4 squared times 3 squared times 2 squared times 1 squared. Various ways to do that. I'm going to do 4 factorial times 4 factorial, 576.